What's going on, guys? So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to find the best delivery agents in Nigeria and ship your product with ease to your customers, because failure to get a reliable delivery agent is going to destroy your e-commerce business, because it's either they end up not delivering the product on time to the customer, or they go behind your back and deliver to your customer and tell you that you have a failed order. So we have recorded some of those incidents, and I would like you guys to avert all those problems that we experience. Okay, so ensure that you stay tuned and watch this video to the end to make the best choice for yourself. Okay guys, before we get into the video, guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly ensure that you click that subscribe button, like this video, and click that bell notification button, and also share this video with your friends and any of your loved ones that this video is going to interest. Okay, so let's go ahead and I will show you how to source the best delivery agents in Nigeria to use. So guys, the first delivery agent I recommend to start out with while starting your e-commerce business is using a company known as ace.ng. You can simply go to ace.ng to learn more about this company. Okay, and if you take a look at it, you find out I've used them a couple of times to run my deliveries. So ace.ng is beginner friendly because it will save you from all the headaches and all the issues that comes with running an e-commerce business and trying to deliver your product to your customers. Their process is seamless. Just go through to the website. I'm going to drop a link on how you can be able to sign up with Ace. Their customer service is quick to respond. You can call them on phone, you can chat them up, and they are eager to respond to you. They will help you to deliver your product almost everywhere in Nigeria today. Okay, make sure you contact them to make sure that they are covering the places that you're trying to deliver your product. So once you have an order, all you need to do with Ace is just come to add new, put up your pickup request. You understand? Then for them to come and pick your order. Okay, select the payment type. What we normally do in Nigeria here is pay on delivery. If it's pay on delivery, select the pay on delivery. It means that they're going to collect your money for you. This saves you a lot of hassle. This is a legitimate company. You understand? So you can work with them. Just come here, put up your order number, the date, and put up the name of the customer and the whole info. Put up the price of the package, the description of the package, the price, the quantity, and every other thing. You can call the Ace and create your shipment. So what the Ace will now do is they already have your address. So what you're creating is a pickup request. They have to come to your pickup request and pick up the product for you and deliver it to your customer. So it means that you might stay at your home and be doing your business without stepping an inch outside of your home. Like, you remember what we are doing in this business, what I told you guys before we started this video series is that starting a profitable e-commerce business and make at least 300k from the comfort of your home. All these things can be done while you are still in your house. You don't need to step out of your home to be able to achieve all this stuff that we are doing here right now. Or if you want to drop it off to one of their locations, you can click on the drop off request and you will now go and drop it off on their location. But I will advise you, except the order is in a hurry that you want to deliver it immediately and you don't want to wait for the delivery person to come, you can go and drop it off. You can also simply just send a pickup request and they will come to your location and pick up your order and deliver for you. Okay, so ensure that you click the link in the description and go and sign up with Ace. They are reliable, they are good. As you can see, I have used them a couple of times. And while you are starting out, as long as you don't have your own delivery agents, or people that you are right that is reliable, that you know of, use these people. I know their price sometimes is also, their price is beginner friendly. It's not going to cost you that much to be able to deliver products around the whole country and save you from the headache of having you are going to experience from working with untrusted or unverified delivery agents. So this is the first one that you can use to run your delivery seamlessly from your home. Then the second one I advise people to do is to simply go on Facebook. When you get to Facebook, ask your friends. If you have a friend that is in e-commerce business, you can simply ask them, or you can come here and make a search of delivery agents in Nigeria. Once you make that kind of search, you can go and see what some people are writing. This is Amucham Samuel. He's also a good e-commerce guy. So you can also follow these people and the people that he listed down here, and most times they talk about reliable delivery agents that they have. And the next thing you can do, you can join this delivery agents association and pick up some people for you. I also have a Telegram group where I've been able to find some reliable delivery agents, as you can see here. So the best way I would recommend for you to go if you are starting out is to use Ace to start your delivery first. Then once you have begin to grow, or you have grown to the extent that you need a personal delivery agent or a reliable delivery agent that doesn't have to do like a company like Ace with all their processes, all you just have to do is go on Facebook and probably ask all these people, or send me a personal message, and I will give you some of my trusted delivery agents. I don't want to share them openly more so that people will not going to, overload them with work. But if you send me a message, I can send them to you, okay? Or you can just come on Facebook and ask your friends, or ask most of these people that are here. They're going to share some of their delivery agents with you. Or you can join the Telegram channel or their Facebook group and also find people that are reliable, okay? So that's the end of this video. Make sure you're a subscriber on this channel. Make sure you click that bell notification button. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to ensure that your delivery agents do not scam you, to ensure that you get your money when they deliver your product. Just like if you're using Ace, your problem is already covered, because Ace will help you to deliver, collect your money, and deposit it in your account directly to you, okay? Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you're a subscriber to this channel. See you guys in my next video.